Let's go for an adventure. Cypress knees. We're on Rice Creek.
I like being up here.
Yeah?
I like seeing it and everything.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure about... Yeah.
It makes you a little back and forthy.
Tipsy, yep.
Yeah. Well, I tell you, we're on an adventure. We are on an adventure with Blackfeet Johnson. Turkey Leg Johnson. And this is going to be a lot of fun. Now, come go with us.
There you go.
Man, this is what I call the life to live. Welcome to the Tensaw Delta. This is a big, beautiful, scary swamp. That's just as cool as it can be.
Yep. I would love to have that cigarette.
Oh yeah. I don't think they'd let you put anything out here like that now.
Yeah, they do.
Do they? We're on the Tensaw River. If you ease me up to this tree, I can hold us still while you do that.
Alright, hold on.
You better reverse me a little bit. Back me up. Back me up. Back me up. Do, 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 do. We're going to take the shear pin out of the prop before we go up through this slough. And our destination is that way. Up through there.
Can we get around that?
Does not appear that we're going to be able to get around that, Danny. No, you're not going to get through there. Wrong slough. Beautiful out here. Yeah, let's try this again. We got off of that slough that didn't go anywhere, and now we're still going.
You're gonna have to just get to where you're comfortable out here like this.
The deepest water on that side right there. Dragging bottom. Back up, Danny. You're gonna have to get over closer to that side.
Still cold.
I guess Blackfeet Johnson's testing the water depth. I tell you, I got the finest son-in-law in the world. I'm sitting my fanny up here in my comfortable lawn chair, and I better be nice to him from now on. I'm gonna quit mistreating him.
If I jump on top of him, I see smoke.
I love a kayak paddle.
Yeah.
All right, we're getting this debris here. Falling debris. Yep, we got a slight obstacle.
I done that.
What we going?
Okay, Dad.
What we gonna do, Danny? Huh? We're on the wrong, all of that, and we're on the wrong slough. Life is an adventure, isn't it? Ah! Just don't face plant yourself in that mud. Here's one reason why he's known as Blackfeet Johnson. Up to his knees. We're gonna have to name this slough, Danny. Call it the Slough to Nowhere. I think what's gonna hang you up is gonna be your boat seat.
That'll be easy, but where's the other floating one? Isn't the mounds up here somewhere?
If you go all the way through.
I was talking. You are right about that, my buddy.
Bologna sandwich never tastes better. Or a can of Vienna sausage. We were headed to a place called Jug Lake. And we ended up in some gnarly mess that was blocking the way. So we got on us a little island out in the middle of this swamp and took us a little necessary break, and we're going to go a ways and we're going to locate some platforms, some camping platforms that are part of the Bartram Canoe Trail. You ready to go? Turkey leg? You ready to ride? Let's get your old Blackfoot daddy and let's get back in the boat and go. I had to kill a lot of red wasps.
Sure. You don't have to ask. You have as much of that as you want. Little Danny. You gotta lay in Poppy's hammock. Sit down in Poppy's hammock.
Doesn't get much better than this, does it?
Nope.
No, it don't.
Yeah, I think we got one of those, Danny.
There he is.
Yeah, let's
Yeah,
chase
we got one.
it down and see if there's something on there. It's steady moving.
Come on, be a good fish. I don't want no turtle.
Oh, sure.
Run, but you can't. Oh yeah.
I gotta get turned around so people can see. Look at there, it's a kitty cat. Little old catfish. Yep, that's what's called a catfish. My son-in-law's granddaddy was a renowned fisherman on these waters, and everybody called him Catfish. We're idling our way back in Rice Creek where we started. It's been a beautiful day in the Mobile Tensaw Delta. Our first destination, our destination that we had in mind, we could not accomplish that because of the debris, and the debris that was piled up in there is probably from the extremely high water back in the spring. And then we've had such a drought all summer that all the water's low. So we went to Dead Lake and hung out for the day, threw out some fishing noodles, and caught that one little channel cat. And it's been a good day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. I don't know if Blackfeet and Chicken Leg are going to be with me, but stay tuned, folks. There's more to come.